Hi friends, today we are going to learn about cloud computing. This is the agenda for this video. First we will look into what is cloud computing, then we will move to advantages of cloud computing, and at last we will talk about types of cloud computing, which includes cloud computing models and cloud computing deployment models. So let's start. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is the on-demand delivery of compute power, storage, database, and other IT resources through a cloud service platform via the internet with pay-as-you-go pricing. Pay-as-you-go pricing means you only pay for what you use. Basically, it is a simple way to access servers, storage, databases, and a broad set of services over the internet whose hardware is managed by cloud service providers like AWS. Now let us look at advantages of cloud computing. There are 6 main advantages of cloud computing. First is trade capital expense for variable expense. It means that like on-premises data centers, in which we have to invest in data centers and servers without knowing whether we are going to use them or not, cloud computing provides us a way in which we only pay for how much resources we use. Second is benefit from massive economies of scale. It means that by using cloud computing, we can achieve a lower variable cost as usage from hundreds of thousands of users can create higher economies of scale for cloud providers like AWS, which results in lower prices. Third is top caching capacity. In on-premises data center, we have to make a capacity decision before deploying an application, which ends up either in expensive idle resources or dealing with limited capacity. With cloud computing, we can access as much or little capacity as we need and also can scale up and down as required. Fourth is increased speed and agility. In on-premises data center, the time it takes for the resources to be available for the developers ranges from weeks to months. With cloud computing, new IT resources are only a few clicks away, reducing the availability time for resources to minutes. Fifth is stop spending money running and maintaining data centers. With cloud computing, you can focus on your business rather than on heavy lifting of racking, stacking, and powering servers. And the last one is go global in minutes. With cloud computing, you can easily deploy your application in multiple regions around the world with just a few clicks, which provides lower latency and better customer experience at minimal cost. Now let us look at types of cloud computing. First, we will learn about cloud computing models. There are 3 types of cloud computing models. First is infrastructure as a service. It contains the basic building blocks for cloud and provides access to networking features, computers, and data storage space. It provides highest level of flexibility and management control over your IT resources. Second is platform as a service. It removes the need for your organization to manage the underlying infrastructure and allows you to focus on deployment and management of your application. And the last one is software as a service. It provides you with a complete product that is run and managed by a service provider. With software as a service, you only need to think about how you will use that piece of software. A common example of software as a service is Gmail application. Now we will learn about cloud computing deployment models. First is cloud. A cloud-based application is fully deployed in the cloud and all the parts of application run in the cloud. Applications in the cloud have either been created in the cloud or have been migrated from an existing infrastructure to take advantage of cloud computing. Second is hybrid. It is a way to connect infrastructure and applications between cloud-based resources and existing resources that are not located in the cloud. It extends and grows an organization's infrastructure into the cloud while connecting cloud resources into internal system. And the last one is on-premises. It is also called as private cloud. It does not provide many of the benefits of cloud computing, but has ability to provide dedicated resources. We will learn more about cloud computing in upcoming videos. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you.